What's up, everyone? Welcome to Realize TV. Jesus. It is a beautiful morning in Los Angeles, and today I will be doing standard maintenance work on this car. Stuff that I super neglect. It's a beautiful piece of machinery. Every day, every time I look at this, I'm reminded by my parents that I should have bought a house. Should have bought a house. Look at that, look. Look, you got you got your bedroom, no savings account. Don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I have a drift car. This is great. I love it. I should have listened to my mom and dad. That's stupid. Anyway, let's get started. That's good. Boy. Yeah. Who needs to go to the gym, right? I don't see it. If you don't see it, it doesn't count. I don't understand. Why do R154s leak? Oh, you just get it extended? Get that shifter welded and extended and then it just leaks? It's amazing. What? Oh, it's just not the right side. Damn it. This is why I don't do this. Should be at work. No, I'm doing this. Oh, it's a 14. God damn it. Alright, now we wait. That's a lot of oil. Let's see if my laziness pays off. Do it from here. No. Oh. Just do it right here. What? Ugh. This is my eye. I hate things in my eye. Why is this so hard right now? The connectors from the gritty oil cooler. You can't. Come on. Be a jerk. Give me a hammer. Oh, come on. This is fantastic. This is so bad. Why'd I listen to you, Teddy? Chickens laughing at me. Why are these stupid cars so hard to work on? Oh yeah, just turning the insides. That's how you do it, right?
There's like everything hitting this thing. Everything. Out of the way.
More oil? How? This is bad.
Wait, aren't you tightening it?
No, I'm loosening it.
Righty-tighty.
No. If you look at it like this, it's counterclockwise. I'm pretty sure. It just sits there, falls on the ground.
Are you removing your wheel to change your oil?
Give me more space. Are you talking to me from behind the camera? Breaking all the rules, Teddy. What are all these stupid lines? Hey! That was so bad.
Heard you boys like sloppy joes.
Yeah, extra sloppy. Well, that only took 5 minutes to do all that. Yep. Oh, this isn't tight. Also something I don't really share too often is my tubed rear end. Not something I'm too happy about, but when Gary hit me in the parking lot, I had to tube my rear end too. Come on. It's like another 10 mil. Wait, hold on. Or I've stripped this thing.
You're definitely tightening it.
Dude, you're making me paranoid. Strip it off. I gotta get the other one. So, being the idiot that I am, I never swapped my diff fluid. Hence, all the drift events, I just kept driving and driving on my cause two-way, which worked amazingly until final bout west, and it just explodes from just no maintenance. So now I'm trying to do every 2 to 3 events, 2 events, swap the fluid. Look at that. No chunking. Decent wear for running a little rear camber. I mean, thanks Federal Tire. These RSRs are pretty good. All right, heading to the local AutoZone down the street because, of course, I forgot that I'd need a pump to get the diff fluid back in there. That or just having to remove the actual diff, and I do not want to do that at all. There we go. Oh, this, right? I need more of these. And now, back to the garage and take a nap. No generic. Get the actual stuff. Alright. So put Loctite on it and then use a power drill and, you know, really crank it on. Get some cement. The red type of Loctite. Yeah. And just tighten it back up. And never have to do it again. I don't understand you, Japanese. Let's see. And it's not going down. There you go. Woo! Well, diff fluid change, oil change. Working on cars is real tough. It is hot. Whew. New bumper.
Wow.
Taller. Done. Well, that's an official wrap on today. Diff fluid done, oil change, got the bumper fitted, and now it's time to go get paint. So thanks everyone for watching. And if you want to see more of this car, go see the Super D New Year's video, because that was a good time. And of course, if you like this video, hit that smash button, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.